Doctors of Reddit, what is your, how the hell are you even alive right now, story? 1. One time I had a patient who was walking in the street, got hit by a car, thrown into oncoming traffic, bounced off another car, and then got pinned under a third, or so the EMS report said. He had a dislocated shoulder and a non-displaced femur fracture. He was on cocaine, which probably explained how he was able to scream at the trauma team to leave him alone. 2. When I was in trauma surgery in upstate by, got a notification about a man who was shot 3 times in the head. He comes in, literally one eye hanging out of the socket, blood everywhere, and he's slumped forward. Apparently he was shot in the temple, exited out his right eye socket, in the nose exited from the roof of the mouth, and in the cheek one, with exit from the side of the head. At this point I'm thinking they just brought him in so we can pronounce him in the ER because he looked dead. I go to examine him and tilt his head back, and he says, "You be gentle." I jump back and scream like a little boy, as did everyone in the room. Literally the bullets missed his brain in every single shot. 3. We have a